Thanks for clicking on the channel. Welcome back to the Dirty 30 page, where I'm just a normal guy with a Harley-Davidson that doesn't have a bottomless wallet. So, that being said, last week I went out and got some turn signals and brake lights from LEDs from Custom Dynamics. I am impressed with the product. They look a lot better than the stock ones in there. But I did get behind a few cars. You ever been behind a few cars where you see when they hit the brake lights, it kind of flashes at you? So I said, I wonder if they have anything like that for a bike. So doing some research, we went back to Custom Dynamics. They actually have something, and that's what I went and got. I got the Magic Strobe here, and that's what it does. It causes your brake lights, when you hit the brake, they'll flash in some kind of strobe pattern. So being that I am impressed with how the turn signals came out, I think I'm gonna go ahead and install this today. So here's another little 4 or 5 minute install, maybe 6. Either way, do me a favor, crunch that like for me, subscribe to the channel, and share the content. Enjoy the video. I did. Peace.